In this video, we are going to learn how we can create a professional website using Canva. So first time I'm creating the face video. I'm revealing my face into this video. So welcome to PK Skills. So let me get started how we can create a free stunning website using Canva. So let's dig into the screen of our laptop. So here we just need to open the canva.com. Here you can see there is a canva.com I have opened. Just click on create now button. In the create, you can see here is the search box. In the search box you can search anything. So here I will search here, for example, website, for example. Here, so here you can see there is a tab for the website, so I will just click on website. Now you can see here we have a lot of templates that we can use for our website. For example, there are a lot of templates that we can use. For example, here is a template that I am going to use here. So this is one product template, for example, here, as well as this one or this one. So on the left side you can scroll a lot of templates that you can use for your project. So for example, I just click on this template and this is page 1 2 3 4 5 6. So just like that. So here, for example, I just click on that and here we have the page 1. If I click on now, this is another screen, and again I click on design and I click on, for example, page 2. So here is the page 2, and here if I click on this one, you can also add this one, but now I just want to add this. And if I click on this, so here you can see in the next section we can add the next section of the page. For example, this one is the next section, for example, and here I click on next section and here is the last section of the page, for example. So here we have the page that we have created. So you can make changes here. For example, here here I just want to say buy anything you want. For example, you can change any text, any text. You can also change the buttons as well as the images. So if you want to add the link of this button, so you can click on this pencil icon, click on the link, so it will be added here. So just like that, you can create an amazing page for your company or the website. So for example, we have the page here, so we want to publish this as a website. So how you can do that? You can just simply click on this share button, and here you will see a button. Here is the website. You just need to click on website, and here you can just simply go live the website. So here you can see there is a site URL, so there you can put your own URL. So I say my URL, for example 002, for example, any URL you can put here and click on publish. So your website will be published within few seconds. Now your website is published. You just need to copy this and go on the new URL, and we visit that website, and this will be live. Now you can see this is the live URL of the website here. If you want to edit this again, you can go back and click on any element that you want to edit. You can just edit it. For example, I click here and so on. So if you want to add more pages, you can just click on this plus icon and page will be added. For example, I have added this page and click on again in the design, and here if I want to add other pages, for example, I just want to add this section as the page, and here you can see this is the page section, and here I click on the next section and add the next section, this, and this will be another page will be added. For example, now we have 3 pages, so I will just delete this empty page here. Now we have one page, this one, and second page, this one. So here just like that you can add the pages into your Canva website as well. So if you click on that, you will see here the pages here, for example page 1 and page 2. Okay, so here this is how you can add the pages as well in the Canva. So this was a short video how you can create an amazing Canva website using free resources. So in the next videos I will let you know how you can convert the Canva websites into Elementor within just few clicks. So keep watching my channel and please subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much.